Hey brilliant minds! Welcome back to the Ultimate Math Guide. Today, we've got a math puzzle that will twist your brain and test your skills. Can you solve it before we do? Stick around and let's crack it together. And there you have it. Another mystery solved with pure logic and math. If you enjoyed this brainy challenge, smash that like button, drop your answer or thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more math adventures. See you in the next one, Math Explorers.